How to change Envision Monitor language. And okay guys, sir, in your Envision Monitor, on the back of this, you can see the joystick. Okay, you can push to the right to show these settings. Here in settings, okay, go to OSD setup by pressing the joystick down and select the OSD setup. Here in OSD setup, okay, push to the right, the joystick, and here you can see the language on the top. Okay, the language is set into English. Okay, to change this, push the arrow to the right, and here you can see the option. You can push the arrow down or up to select. And for my example, I change the language into Espanol. Okay, to select this, you'll have to do is push the joystick to the right to select the Espanol as a language. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the language on your Envision Monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.